Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Sun TV. How you feel? We back at it again with another banger video, nigga.
Oh!
So you feel me, y'all? In this video, we finna be sliding and backdooring one of my partners. You feel me? Y'all don't know who my boy Only Kalis is? It's my partner with the gray wide body scat pack. You feel me? So I ain't gonna lie, he never did nothing wrong to me. He actually put me on some people who could do my taxes. And they got your boy a lot of money back on income taxes. But still, nigga, it's trying to backdoor his ass.
Oh!
Boy, you see I got the ski mask on my head, you feel me? And I got the glasses on. These glasses, I took them from an old lady, you feel me? But I needed this to disguise myself when I go slide on his ass. You feel me? No doubt. You know what? Let me go up in the house and see how I look with this, you know, my disguise on. Let me see how we looking. Hold on. Damn, I look like that nigga Vaughn on 1700.
Oh!
Hell no. Well, it's time to get the guns, the ammo, and get the killing some shit, no doubt. All right, so you feel me? This where you supposed to keep the sticks at, you feel me? You open your trunk. Damn, the trunk won't even open. You feel me? This where we got the sticks, so you feel me? We got this MP5 right here. You feel me? This bitch a fully. You see that switch on that bitch? You feel me? This gonna get the job done. This right here is the ammo. As you can see, we got 1,000 shots. So you feel me? If you got 1,000 shots, you can kill 1,000 niggas, no doubt. But anywho, before we go and commit this premeditated murder, make sure y'all boy hit that like button, subscribe, hit that post notification bell. Let's try to get this video up to 200 likes. I know y'all can do it. If y'all get this video up to 200 likes, I'm gonna do another video like this where I slime out another one of my partners, no doubt. Damn, I'm tripping. I'm supposed to be keeping my voice down. I'm talking too loud. They gonna fuck around and call the police and blow my motherfucking cover. No doubt. Let's go ahead and get them sticks. You feel me? You gotta put the stick in your pants, you feel me? That's how real niggas ride. They stick in their pants. Next, we gotta go ahead and get that ammo. You gotta have that bitch in the front seat so you can go ahead and dump the clip and flip that bitch, no doubt. All right, y'all, so the first step in the catching your op lacking is you gotta make sure that you have your gun in your lap. You gotta make sure you got your gun. You can't go on a drill without your gun and expect to turn around or expect the outcome to go successful. Also, keep your box or bottle of ammunition in the car at all times. Feel me? If you fuck around and not have no ammo, you shoot your gun and that bitch click. That's your ass. Now what you gotta do is, whenever you catch your target, you wanna make sure you get cool with him so he can feel like y'all are friends, and wham! You backdoor his ass. You feel me? You gotta be cool with the nigga, build up a bond so you can get the nigga out of the house, kill his ass, and keep it moving. No doubt. Now you gotta call his ass, you feel me? So you can go ahead.
Talk to me.
Hey, what up, bro?
What's good?
Shit, I'm finna go ahead and get ready to leave the house.
Hey, where you headed? Downtown?
Yeah, we go to Loud Court.
Man, I'll meet you down there.
All right, bet. I'm gonna go ahead and head down there right now.
I bet.
All right. Mangy ass nigga.
Oh!
That's how you get. See? He feel like we cool and shit. But little do he know, nigga, I got this stick on me right now. I ain't scared to use it, nigga. Yeah, I forgot to tell y'all boys. A good, fast, high-powered vehicle is something that you will need. You don't necessarily have to have it, but it helps. Like, look where we run in. Big HELLCAT, nigga, you feel me? That's gonna help you out, you feel me? So when you cut that nigga up real quick, you gonna need some power to get up out that hole, you feel me? After you hit that nigga up and stand over his ass, you feel me? It's time to hop back in the whip and haul ass. Hey, listen to this. Why there? You hear my car whining? hear that whine? That came from all the souls I done stole from shooting at these niggas. No cap. And you finna hear another nigga whining. Every time I catch a hat, nigga, my car gonna whine louder, louder, and louder. You feel me? Big supercharger on the cat. Point out another thing about this HELLCAT motherfucker. Y'all see this SRT on the steering wheel? This shit stand for shooting, robbing, and tricking the nigga out their life. So that's the main reason why I bought this car. This go with my lifestyle on how I be backdooring my homies on a daily basis. No doubt. Oh, yeah, I also got to tell you, I'm taking him on his first drill, you feel me? He ain't never seen a nigga get hit up with this switch, you feel me? So we take him on his first drill. As you can see, he trying to smell to see if he can find any more bullets that drop between the seat. No doubt. Another thing that's gonna help y'all little niggas have a successful drill is to play some drill music. Pick your favorite song that make you wanna go and splat a nigga brain out their head. You feel me? This my personal choice when it comes to music. That's
Better help ad.
Oh
February.
shit. That shit here that a nigga slide to, nigga! What am I saying? What am I saying? Who won't smoke with us? Yo, nigga! Who won't smoke with us? Who won't smoke with us?
Who there in that show with that big ass drink and the ski on his face?
Nigga know what that mean? What am I saying? Ali Harris, fuck!
I need you to go pick up my sister real quick.
The fuck you mean pick up your sister? I'm gonna go on the motherfucking drill. You see I got this big ass gun in my lap and you want me to pick your sister up?
Yeah.
Bro, y'all trying to fuck on my drill, man. I'm trying to catch his hat. I'm trying to backdoor this nigga real. Fuck it, we'll pick her black ass up. Since I gotta pick up your black ass sister before I go on this drill, I might as well test out my artillery to make sure my shit don't jam so I can go ahead and complete the mission by hitting the nigga ass up with this bitch in fully mode and making his ass cry and bleed all over the motherfucking concrete. All right, so we got a little ammo in here. This is just a test ammo. So we're gonna go ahead and put that bit in here. Get that bit of pack from the back. Pack! Make sure the knob is in fully mode. The 3 dots mean fully. This means single. This means safety. Nigga, I don't give a fuck about no safety, nigga. Let me go ahead and mask up before I test this gun out. You feel me? Let's see, we gotta find a target to shoot at. Let me see. I'm trying to see should I test it out on her ass or this sign. Hold on, let me see. We gotta walk somebody down first, cause she could be a witness. We gotta show her ass that we mean business. She don't even know I'm creeping up on her with this splat in my hand. That shit hurt, huh? Oh, okay. That means you better not hop in this car. That means you better not hop in this car playing around. Nigga, I stand on business. I got a drill to do, nigga. Oh, okay. Now get your ass in the back seat, sit back, relax, and enjoy the motherfucking ride, nigga. Now the next tip of the day before you catch your op lacking, you gotta go to churches. Where the fuck this damn bullet? I'm finna light your mother. Shut the fuck up! Now back to what the fuck I was looking at. Before you go on a drill and catch your ops lacking, you gotta go to churches and get you some food. You're never supposed to kill on an empty stomach. Oh, you think that's funny? Now if this drill don't go right, we're going to jail. Now cut that shit out. Boom, y'all. So I've been stalking this nigga location for a whole hour, you feel me? As you can see, he's kind of close to me. He's actually in downtown, you feel me? So I got my bullets in my gun. Now I'm finna go stalk his ass some more, follow his ass around, and shoot at his ass. So I'm gonna turn the camera back on when I got this bitch in motion. Alright, I done caught this nigga while this. I'm gonna bump down on his ass while this. I'm looking for him. Oh yeah, the target is up there. He don't know what's gonna happen to his ass, y'all. That what happen when you stalk this nigga location. Why did? I'm gonna park that bitch right here. We gotta make sure his window down. Damn, the target is moving. I guess we gotta put his U-turn right here. We gonna pull up on his ass in traffic. Right there, y'all. mask on with these glasses, nigga. I'm walking around like a nerd, nigga. I'm finna spin on these guys again. This how you finish his ass off. We got his ass wounded up, but you feel me? We ain't got his ass gone. So you gotta creep. You gotta creep up on his ass. Creep up on his ass. Can't let his guy know what to do. Bitch ass nigga! Now you gotta run away from his ass. Mission successful.